Yeah. Room service, please. Sharply, please. Thank you. Oh, come in. Hey, my man. Well done, my guy.
Call.
Yeah. What's up now?
Yeah, I'm fine, bro. I did. I work too much. Stressful this hotel. But we thank God.
Don't worry.
They say you call.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, I won't make you arrange something for me. Where you arrange one matter for me like that.
Matter don't go. She know day. You get for Puba.
Oh, be that matter now. Another matter will make you arrange for me.
Oh, matter. Don't say it's a matter.
See, since I come here, I don't see you na guy man.
Continue.
Understand? Better guy man. Just go now, run out for me. Sharp. Arrange her here for me. Better one, fresh one. I hear like fresh one. Green leaf will make sense. Based on guy man something now.
Oga.
Hey. So, what's that?
You leave where you say make I go find for you.
Which kind leaf come be this one now?
Green eye here, fresh one.
Chai!
Who are you, Seth?
I am that I am.
Continue.
I work here.
This thing no be the eye here now. I think say you Seth na guy man. Eh?
I don't understand. You give me money, say make I go buy you eye here. Me too, Seth, I think say you be guy man. But when you mention that I am gonna snitch na guy man, no
be this eye here guy.
What in the eye here again? No be eye here, no believe. Even if I no go to school, I no say na leave na eye here na leave.
What is wrong with you now?
I should be asking you what is wrong with you that you need eye here at this time of the day.
Chai!
How can a full grown man like you lock yourself inside the room for hotel where you pay big money? Some people they come here some go demand for dove bitters, some go demand for big drinks we get name. You can't say make anga baklalo, they can go gris. Nke wa bes. Nke wa ihe ụgba. Nke kwanu moringa. See
guys, shut up now. Shut up. This thing no be the eye. What you say you na guy man self? You know they use your sense. You know they use your head. You know what in the eye? Just come out, arrange eye for me. Green leaf now. Green leaf. Okay, that do okay. Green leaf arrange touchy. You know what in be green leaf?
Nothing juju be that.
Leaf. Green leaf. Aya.
Koti regnat. He says you keep it tongue like snake, python. He can jab. What ya java? Green leaf.
Chai!
You didn't go vegetarian, you didn't go no gig them. Eh? So now Igbo in one make I go buy for you.
Igbo now.
I go okay me son.
I go call Igbo before you know say Igbo.
Why you don't go call Igbo before I go no say Igbo? I hear Igbo. Call a speed. When you're not pop speed, you have Babylon.
Chai!
You tell me make I go pack a lie here for you. Do you know how much this thing, how much time it took me inside bush gathering these leaves for you?
Continue.
Okay, now what's in the right for that door? That as you enter here, what's in the right?
No smoking.
No smoking.
The reason that one.
I'm not supposed to reason that.
Why?
Where they write no smoking and you want to come and smoke, and tomorrow you go call yourself as somebody who gets sense. You see, I'm not saying you don't get sense. Person go see where they write no enter. Jesus. Very soon, my go see say die very soon. Piam give one and die very soon. Give die. What is the difference between no smoking? Come maybe the rules and regulation that guides this hotel. And you want me by then game managing a correct guy, mafia. This I hear why I go get. They said for my village. And I am there the more lumber. Give Jan and call lumber. A go get naga pakla look I hand. 1,000 in him. Agda battalion.
Guy, they blab. Sure you know now. No say you dey blab. No dey use your head though. I better get this shit out of my sight and get me back my money. Dey mad?
Which money?
Continue.
The money what I give you now.
Me go carry the money give you back.
You know, give me my
Sir,
money.
I don't know what thing they use money do. The time where this thing waits for me, I did that time anymore. How many I did? Do you know you're supposed to pay more? Okay, I'm lying to them. Become.
You are unbelievable. I don't. This kind. Come on, this thing. Give me my money now.
Look, come take this thing. Give me balance. When I say come on, this thing give you money. Now here you mention and now here I bring for you. Not just make me verse here because if I verse shout here, if security enter here, you don't go like me.
This man.
Every time we go they spoil things for us. Why is it that our thing over here in Nigeria is always different? You go see where they say no do this, we go do 100 times. No smoking here. Is it something that you cannot understand? Spanish Kingdom is a hotel that is well registered, is a well pronounced and well intellectuated hotel.
Continue.
That people don't come here and mess up anyhow. It's a hotel meant for people that are reasonable, sensible, and legible. I'm not for doubts.
Hello, nigga, you are blabbing. Take this shit out of my sight now. Give me back my 1K. You know why this 1K now?
I give you that 1K, make I die today. Now for this hotel.
Go die
No,
now.
come and get you.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
From today, any hotel where you enter, first of all, find out their rules and regulations before you can start demanding for nonsense. I didn't see Igbo here. They say no smoking. No smoking, and we meant it. Do the right in that little thing. If you do them right, another person will imitate from you. Another person will imitate from another person that imitated from you. That is how the country will be well. Nonsense. Come and take 1,000 like I see.
What's this guy? So this guy just took my 1K.
You be mumu. You think say they wise. You are a mumu man.